Welcome students to class 4 maths chapter 6 division exercise 6.7. Today we will do simplification by using four fundamental operations. So four basic fundamental operations are division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So today we will discuss about the order of operation. The various basic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And when we have all these operations in one problem, we follow a certain order. Let us look at that order. First we will tackle the division. After that we will solve the multiplication. Then we will add and finally we will do the subtraction. To remember this, note down the first letter of these four fundamental operations like this: D, M, A, S. D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. So we will read it as D mass. You need to remember this to help you to remember the order of operation. So let us do one example. Now I have taken one example, that 570 minus 320 divided by 10. So here we have two fundamental operations. Here is subtraction and here is division. So according to this D mass, first we have to solve division. So first we will solve 320 divided by 10. After division we get 32, 570 as it is, this sign of subtraction as it is. 570 minus 32, it is equal to 538. Now I'll take one more example from your exercise 6.7. 30983 minus 17803 minus 26351 plus 31370. I have put the D mass on the top for your reference. Here we have only addition and subtraction. We don't have here division and multiplication. And out of addition and subtraction we will first do addition and then subtraction. So we will first do addition. So first we will take the first and the last terms because both are positive terms. So here I have written these two terms and last numbers we will copy as it is, this minus 17803 minus 26351 as it is. Now first of all we will add these two terms. After addition, here I have written, after addition we get 62353. Here I have written 62353 minus 17803 minus 26351 as it is. Now this term as it is because again we have to first add the terms. Now here we have concept of integers. These are two negative integers. When we have two negative integers, it means we have to add these two terms, minus minus plus, but sign will be of minus. So minus as it is. Now we will add these two terms. Here I have written in bracket. So after adding these two terms we will get 44154. Here I have written 44154 as it is and here I have written minus sign. Then we will do subtraction. After subtraction we get 18199. So in this way we will solve any problem which have more than one operation, fundamental operation, by arranging that fundamental operation in proper sequence. So this is all about simplification. So until we meet again, stay happy and keep learning.